So we are just hours away from the official start of summer, but beauty expert Jill Dunn, she's ready. She's put together kind of a prep kit for us for the new season.
That's right, you know, beating the heat. So everything that I'm talking about today, if you want to know where to get it, you can head to my website, which is jilldunn.ca. So first up, we're going to talk about smooth skin. I feel like that is such a huge thing, and a lot of people want it from head to toe. So I'm going to talk about a new shaving must, and this is from Gillette. This is the Gillette Venus for pubic hair and skin. So this is specially designed for those sensitive areas to be able to get a close, smooth shave. And I really like this one because it's designed to prevent those common irritations like rashes, ingrown hairs, redness, and it's also genius because it's a razor and a precision trimmer in one, so you're totally covered. And when those last minute cottage invites come in, you're good to go.
You're good to go.
Yeah.
Okay. Also good to go with like healthy hair.
Yeah, so this is something I bring with me whenever I'm traveling. It's from Pantene Pro V. These are their Miracle Rescue shots, so they're individual doses, like ampules almost.
So it's great for traveling.
Absolutely, small and mighty, and it's the most concentrated formula of Pantene Pro V in each formula, so it's aiming to improve hydration, softness, shine, and what I really notice is it really helps me with my split ends. It really repairs those, so it's adding that maximum dose of hydration in there, but you know, you're just leaving it on for 10 minutes or so. It's like a deep treatment, deep rescue treatment for those dry patches.
Okay, and then you've got a shampoo that's made especially for not blow drying your hair, but air drying it.
Yeah, it's so cool because I try to give my heat tools a rest in the summer. You know, I think a lot of people do. And this is from Herbal Essences. It's their air dry collection. So it's shampoo and conditioner, and it has jojoba oil in there and pure plant ingredients, real botanicals. And it's really meant to be kind of like styling your hair in the shower because it has ingredients in there to prevent frizz and add smoothness and softness and shine, but it doesn't weigh your hair down. So you just kind of like wash and go and you're good to go. You get that beautiful, shiny, healthy hair. And I love that it's like, you know, lazy girl approved.
I like that. I like that. We also have to be very mindful, of course, of protecting our skin from the sun.
Yeah, absolutely. So my new favorite SPF is from Roche-Posay. They're a really incredible French pharmacy brand. So this is the Anthelios SPF 50, and it's actually age-correct SPF 50. So it's got anti-aging ingredients in there. It has niacinamide, it has hyaluronic acid, as well as that broad spectrum protection, so UVA, UVB, and it actually is clinically proven to reduce dark spots by up to 26% in 4 weeks. So you're getting the skincare benefits, you're getting that broad spectrum protection, and it's improving hydration, brightening. It's doing all of them. It's doing the most. Okay. And it's kind of like 2-in-1.
All right, we've got about 45 seconds left, but I know you've got two.
Yeah, so I'm really excited to introduce you to these. It's a brand out of Halifax actually called Ben Beauty. This is Renew and Protect. So this is something I rely on in the summer when I'm kind of on the go and I'm not getting all of the necessary vitamins in my diet. So these are really rich in omega-3s, which are all important for anti-inflammatory and antioxidants. It has 6 active ingredients in there. Omega-3s, of course, vitamin D, lutein, and it's really great. And over time, when you're consistently using this, it's improving your skin barrier from inside out, reducing redness and all of that. Great for your skin. And finally, my new favorite lipstick for summer from Revlon. These are the Color Suede inks. Long lasting, has a primer built in, no feathering, does not transfer.
And we'll get more details up on your website. And we have run out of time. Jill, lovely to have you on.
Thank you so much.
CHCH.com/morninglive. We'll get the link up to our website.
Thank you.